Marcello, a special award tonight, special mention in the Environmental Awards. Are we now seeing a sizable shift in the way boat builders approach their business in terms of environmental responsibility?
Yeah, absolutely. By a matter of fact, my personal experience is switching from yachts that were burning 1,000 or 2,000 liters per hour to yachts which burn zero. You know, it's quite embarrassing to be here among pilots and world champions and getting an award for a boat which does 9 knots. But these 9 knots are precious because are with zero emission. Then these boats can go a little bit faster, 16 knots, by charging the batteries through a generator. But if you wish, you can cruise all summer without making boards, so going straight, only on the solar power, and that's the future. I think with the catamarans on top, we have a lot of space, and we can move a lot of square meters to enjoy with zero emission, which is a good switch from what we did in the past.
It is, but how much of a demand is there from potential clients for looking for an environmentally friendly but luxury yacht? Is there a big demand there? Are you seeing a demand?
I'll just tell you something. The 80 feet that we are designing now has already 5 customers, and we don't have a picture or a rendering yet or a brochure. So it's a new yachting, a new clientele. Extremely interesting to see that we have young customers careful to pollution and environment. And the fact of these clients being young, self-made and rich guys tells how much future this kind of boating will have in the future.
And how realistic is it to imagine that in the future that will be the majority of boats being built in the yachting industry? Is it too far-fetched?
Well, both minor yachting, say, up to 80 feet, but also mega yachting, it's switching on hybrid systems on board, and this is going very fast. So I think that the yachting community will adapt to what the inventions, what the possibility that we can put on a yacht are available. And when these tools are available, I'm sure that this will be going to be brought on board.
Well, congratulations once again on that special mention award, and have a good evening.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.